Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. First off, I just want to say a big sorry to all of you, my loyal subscribers who have been waiting patiently for the next video. I know I promised to drop new content, especially on Adsterra, and I honestly hate the disappointment. But the truth is, I've been caught up with a lot of offline business commitment recently, and that took more time and energy than I expected. But I'm back now, and this time I'm fully back and ready to deliver. So to all of you who have been asking about the Adsterra tutorial, yes, it's coming in. In fact, I'm bringing you the full detailed tutorial that will walk you through everything that you need to know, whether you're just starting out or looking to scale. Now, quick update to you, to update for all my Nigerian followers using Adsterra. As some of you might have noticed, Adsterra has discontinued web money as a payment method in Nigeria. You understand? So I know that that's a bit frustrating, especially for those of us who rely on it for fast payment. But don't panic, I've got it covered. I'm already working on a solid solution, and I will be sharing the full details in the upcoming video. So just hang very tight. Also, if you are watching this and you currently have a weekly payment Adsense account, please do me a favor, a quick favor. DM me using the WhatsApp number you find in the video description below, or the one currently showing on the screen right now. There is something important I'd like to discuss with you, and it could be beneficial for both of us. Yes, for both of us. That is a very big important thing that I want to discuss with you. Once again, thank you so much for the patience, your support, and for sticking with me through the ups and downs. We are back regular upload now, and I can't wait to share all the valuable content I've been planning. And don't forget to like this video, subscribe if you're new, and turn on the bell icon so you don't miss the Adsense tutorial when it drops. I'll see you in the next video. Peace.